let's talk about seated position for tension-free breathing. Too much tension is the enemy of tone. So for freedom of movement, for ease of breathing, we need to have very specific instructions about where we sit and how we sit in a chair. What do we sit on when we sit in a chair? Do we sit on our legs or do we sit on our sit bones? Those bones are actually called your ischial tuberosities. You might call them your butt bones, and they're shaped like the letter U, and they allow for us to be able to rock back and forth easily. We want to find the bottom of that U and balance over that. So find a place where you feel like your head is balanced exactly over the bones that you're sitting on. And then experiment with what it's like to be too far forward and too far back. And then find a place in the middle where the line from your skull to your hip joint is vertical. In order for us to be able to feel comfortable in a seated position, we have to remember that we're all different heights. So we have to find your balance. So if you can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor and your knees are lower than your hips, the chair and you are perfectly designed for each other. But if you're sitting in a chair where your hip joints are lower than your knees, we for sure need to give you a place where ease of movement for breathing can happen. So in order to do that, we have to move our knees lower than our hips. The easiest way to do that in a chair is to sit near the front of it where your legs are free and to simply cross your ankles in front of you. Then your knees go lower than your hip joint. The other option is to move your legs to the side, either outside the legs of your chair or inside the legs of your chair to get your knees to go below your hips. You can see from these examples why it's not possible to sit near the back of the chair and manipulate the level of your knees, because your thigh hits the chair. And that's why we need to sit near the front of the chair so that our knees can go below our hips so that breathing is easy. If the chair is too tall for you, you might find that sitting near the front of the chair makes you feel like you're going to fall out of it. But sitting too far back doesn't allow for easy breathing. In that case, sometimes it's necessary to find something for the feet to rest on so that the knees can be below the hips, but not so far below that it feels like you're falling out of the chair. So, balance your head and torso over your sit bones. For freedom of movement, upwards through our torso and downwards through our legs, we have to be very specific about how far forward or back we sit in the chair. So from front to back, sit where the legs can be free. We sit on our sit bones, not on our legs. So here are the instructions for seated position for tension-free breathing. Sit balanced over the bones you're sitting on, over your ischial tuberosities, and make sure that your knee joints are below your hip joints. Sitting up straight and feet flat on the floor is a static instruction, and it doesn't allow for you to grow around those instructions, as the chair will not grow with you. So let's be dynamic in our thinking. Let's think about ease of movement when it comes to a seated position. Flexible ease is dynamic, not static. Remember, too much tension is the enemy of tone. So find your balance and find your tone.